everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add the Incoterms on agent quotation format 1 report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the quotation module. Here, we have to select the all quotation menu under the quotation module. Now, we have to select the date range. Then we have to click on the submit button. Here we can see the all quotation list and we have to click the edit button to which quotation we want to add the Incoterms. On this quotation details page, we have to click the edit button. Now we have to select the Incoterms as per your requirement. Then we have to click the Save Changes button. Here we have to click the Report button at the top of the screen. Now we have to select the Agent Quotation Format 1 report. On this report, here we can see the Incoterms. This is how to add the Incoterms on Agent Quotation Format 1 report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.